This event brought to you by Monginis.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Well, according to Mayan calendar, the world didn't end. But yes, we are at the end of this year. And it's that time of the year when smiles get bigger and joy is in the air. Festivities all around the corner and town painted in bright red and green. Well, no need to guess, it's Christmas time. Hi, this is Rohit and welcome to first Monginis Christmas Carol singing competition. Total of 11 teams participated in the competition, ranging from kids, high school, higher secondary schools to professionals. In this first episode, we will see some of the groups performing. You don't go anywhere, stay tuned to see what this group have in store for us.
Go wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our hearts. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our hearts. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad.